Constructing, building strong relationship with the new clients is the first step. Here's how this team connects with a new client.
Wow, what a very interesting house design. I like it. I want like this to my future house. I will contact this company to ensure my house will become like this.
Hello?
Yes, I see your advertisement on social media and I really like it. I like this design for my future house. Can you give me some estimation cost for this design like this?
Sure, but first you need to think up to our company, so I can clarify a few things and to further instruction and other information of your house and design. Our company located in VPSU main campus. If you have time, come and visit in our company.
Sure, I can go tomorrow so that we can discuss the plan for my house.
Sure, come over tomorrow. Yes, finally. Our marketing effort has paid off. A new client reached out to our online portfolio. Lance, please schedule tomorrow meeting for our client.
Yes, sir. Sir, this is our new client. Hi, nice meeting you. Have a seat, sir. I'm here for my suggestion to my house design. And for my house design, I like my house designs to be like two-story building with 3 bedrooms. And I want also a spacious kitchen with energy features in it. I've documented your initial requirements. May I confirm the lot size and location? The lot will be a 300 square meter located at Balanga, Bataan. Lastly, can I also suggest the modern aesthetic design to my house?
Yes, sir. We will integrate your preferences to our design, and of course, we will update you every at stage.
With the client on board, the team collaborates to create a comprehensive plan that aligns with their requirements.
Let's outline the project timeline and assign responsibility. Team leader, this is the new project. Go and assign your team.
Okay, I will do this design and assign for you.
Okay.
Okay, guys, we have a new project. I will assign you this design. Okay. For our structural design, Reggie, you will focus on the foundation and load bearing.
I will ensure the design, support a second floor, and use a cost-effective yet durable materials.
And Lawrence, you will handle electrical and plumbing layouts.
I'll design energy efficient system and ensure plumbing lines complement the layout.
And Justine, conduct quality checks on drafts before presenting them on the clients.
I'll ensure all drafts meet our standards and are free of errors.
The team emphasizes quality assurance to ensure smooth drafting process and adherence to standards.
Okay guys, I want to inform you that our quality assurance process includes the regular training and adherence of building codes. So please ensure and double check the process.
Okay, I will double check the structural design for accuracy and compliance.
Okay.
I'll validate electrical systems for efficiency and safety. Cross-referencing with structural plans.
Hello sir, can I talk to you right now? Sure. So sir, I've reviewed past project reports and document common issues to avoid.
Okay.
I appreciate your trueness. It gives me confidence on your process. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Quality assurance ensures the process is efficient, but quality control ensures the output is flawless.
I inspected the initial drafts and noticed a conflict between the plumbing and electrical lines. We resolved it by adjusting the layouts.
Okay. Can I interrupt your conversation?
Sure, go ahead.
Sir, we also had a peer review session to identify and fix the minor errors to the dimensions.
But before that, Mr. Morales, this is the initial plan of your house.
Wow, so nice. This detail reassured me. When will I see the final draft?
After the quality control complete. But
Okay.
come back again in 3 days and we will show it to you the final draft of your house.
After ensuring quality in both process and output, the team is ready to proceed with the client's dream house.
Thank you, team leader, for your effort. And once again, Mr. Morales, we will keep you updated on the process.
I'm excited to see the final design. I trust your team to deliver an exceptional result.
For effective quality assurance and quality control, the team not only secured the client trust but ensured the project's success. This is how precision and collaboration drive the drafting industry.